This is Tim Johnson coming to you from Brad Cole Construction Safety. I want to take a minute just in response to the COVID-19 pandemic, just to talk about how we help our people keep their project sites disinfected so we don't transfer the disease. Right now, we just want to take a minute to describe to you how we dilute Clorox bleach in 1 gallon of water so we can transfer it to smaller bottles for multiple use. And so how we do that is it's 1/2 of a cup of Clorox bleach to 1 gallon of water. So we're going to add this 1/2 cup of bleach into our 1 gallon solution. And yes, I'm using a coffee mug because a lot of times we don't have a 1/2 cup measure on site. But if you fill this mug up 1/4 of the way up, that's about a 1/2 cup. Now once we've got that solution inside of our 1 gallon, it's ready for use and transfer into smaller containers. That's what we're doing with this spray bottle here. And once we've got the amount that we want to use, we fill that spray bottle up. And then we also label that spray bottle with the chemical that's inside of it. So that helps keep people from misusing different chemicals that are cross site, and they know what's inside the container. As always, guys, any task that we're doing, let's use our proper PPE, safety glasses, gloves, and then protective clothing so none of this affects us negatively. Listen, y'all, keep being safe.